YouTube is your main Matisse the Barber. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell to let you know when I'm dropping my next video. In this haircut tutorial, I'm going to be doing a high ball fade in a beard trim.
Perfect.
Let's get into it. So this first step, I'm just be brushing down the hair and just prepping it for my next step. Now I'm on my Silver Babyliss FX skeleton trimmers. I'm going to go ahead and set in my first ball line around the head. And repeating the same steps on the right side. So you guys, during the video, the client wanted his fade up a little bit higher. So right here, just taking the fade up just a little bit higher. So now that we got the fade up the level that we want it to be, coming back with my Wahl's Magic Clips with the level all the way open. And I'm going up about a ½ an inch, setting my first guideline. Now that we got the first guideline set in, I'm going to come back and blend out the ball line with the lever always closed. All the way closed on my Magic Clips. Now I'm going to open that lever up to half and continue to finish fading.
Perfect.
I'm going to repeat the same steps in the back, starting with the lever closed and open up as half as needed. Now I'm going to open that lever and continue to fade. And as you can see, as I'm fading up, I'm not going past the first guideline. I'm continuously knocking out that ball line. And I'm going to repeat the same steps on the right side with the lever always closed. Open up as half as you go up on the fade, and keeping it consistent. Now that I got the ball line knocked out with the lever all the way open, on my Wahl's Magic Clips with the number 1 guard, I'm going to go up about another ½ inch, setting my second guideline.
Perfect.
Now with the 1/16 guard, with the lever all the way closed, I'm going to go ahead and start blending out my first guideline. Now I'm going to open that lever up to half, continue to fade. Continue the same steps around the back side with the lever all the way open with the number 1 guard. Now I'm going to jump back in with the 1/16 with the lever all the way closed. And just keeping it consistent. Open the lever up to half as I go up on the fade. And I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the right side. 1/16 guard, lever all the way closed. Now I'm going to open the lever up halfway, continue to work that fade. So with the 1.5 guard with the lever all the way open, I'm just going to be doing some deboking. So as you can see, I'm pulling the hair up, and I'm using the tooth of the blade to go into the hair and flick out what other guard. And I'm going to repeat the same steps around the whole head. So I just start out with the lever open, and then I will close it as needed. Right now the lever is closed. And as you can see, the fade is already started. It's already looking blurry. It's already starting to come together. Now I'm going to go ahead and start fading the beard with the lever all the way closed on my Wahl's Magic Clips. I'm going to open it all the way up. And right now I'm fading the beard at the temple area. Closing the lever. And open up as needed. And right now, just going back to do some detail work. So now I'm going to pin the hair up, and I'm going to get ready to edge up the front. Next step, coming back with the 1 guard with the lever all the way closed. And I'm just deboking, knocking down some hair so I can go ahead and line up the front area. Now that I got the hair knocked down, I can go ahead and edge them up. And like I said, a guide for me that I said, most of my videos I always start in the middle. It's a good guide. Gonna keep the hairline natural as possible. And I stress to new barbers and barbers that don't use the mirror, definitely use the mirror for the lineup. Lineup is the most important part. I can't stress that enough. In the corner of the edge up, I always try to use the eyebrow as a reference to use that as a guide. side, you do to the other. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start edging the beard up. And as well as the beard, I'm just gonna go ahead and line it up natural as possible. Pretty much the way he already had his shape. And I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet. I'm gonna let y'all watch this.
Perfect.
Throughout the process of cutting my man's hair, he dozed on me a few times. Funny thing about when clients are falling asleep on me, I feel it. I feel them dozing, and I take the clippers away from their face, and when they wake back up, they be like, "Oh, did you mess me up?" No, I ain't get you. So yeah, I thought that was funny throughout this video. Man, this is a hard worker, man. He definitely comes in to get a haircut, get a good haircut, and relax. Using them slimline pros like a pencil. Now, right now, I'm gonna go ahead and give him the razor liner. Right now, I got some Elegance shaving gel in the Tune 45 razor.
Perfect.
I got this at the Barber Expo in Las Vegas about 3 years ago. First time meeting Chris Basio, real cool dude, man. Shout out Chris Basio. I got to tell you, this guy come in, he get the full service, man. He don't shortcut nothing. He want that haircut, he want that razor line, and he want that beard trim, and he want that beard razor. Yeah. This dude right here, he's a busy man. Internationally known. So as you can see, I'm putting that razor on that thing and it's starting to pop. I mean, without the razor, it was already on point. As you can see, YouTube, this is the cut. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and also that notification bell will let you know when I'm dropping my next video. Also, as you can see up in the corner, you can follow me on IG at TC the Barber, Amen, and also Facebook at Tony T Clark. And thanks for supporting and watching, and I'm out. Peace.